Hey everybody, Santa back again. Sunday, July 7th. First day with no caretaker here. So supposedly around 5 o'clock, we have a couple coming that are interested in the job. Right now the husband's busy trying to finish up on something he's doing up in the mountain. So they can't come till 5. But good news is we did get the satellite guy over here. He came after the rain stopped because it was raining all morning. Now it stopped. We're okay. And he hooked up all the TVs. Everything's good. We got TVs in both rooms now. But now we have another issue. Let me show you. I knew it was going to happen eventually. But birds are getting in. They're coming through here. They're not coming through here, but they're coming through here, and then they can't figure out how to get out. So I already have one inside my room here. He keeps flying around. There he is. He's flying in there. I think he's trying to look for a way out, maybe. But he keeps coming in here. Oh, see, there it is. Yep, there it is. You see it? It's fast. Oh, 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 there he goes. He went out the other way. Maybe he's gone now. Oh, hopefully he won't come back. I don't know. He just went in there now. I don't know, they're very fast. So, the next project, we have to put plywood on all these openings. Everywhere. We have plenty of plywood extra anyway. We just have to get somebody to do it. Because we have to stop this, because the birds, they're gonna poop. I already found some poop in there. They're already pooping. I don't want them pooping on the bed sheets. Then what? So there you go, another issue. Never stops around here, people. Just want to move in a condo and be over all this stuff. Well, I did put a for sale sign on the front gate there. I put a for sale sign so at least people driving by can see it. Maybe we'll have some inquiries. Really, the next time I'm in town, I need to get it like a nice tarpaulin, make it colorful, and I think that'll be better than the actual sign I have on there now. You never know. You might get one guy, one family riding by that really wants to be living around here. Come down the driveway and make an offer. Who knows? It only takes one person. There's so many bugs and insects and stuff here. Got mud wasps trying to build nests, ants. Not to mention mosquitoes and flies. It's not really easy, people. Got this one flying around now. He's looking to build something. Hang on. Yeah, he's not going to build. I took care of him. With the broom. Trying to build something in the window here. Anyway, the kids are in the other room here watching TV.
Hey, how are you feeling? You sleep okay? Everything
What's that they doing? Tae? Pepe? Oh, okay. I put the Filipino flag in this room since it's the Filipino room here. And then my room, I hung Old Glory. Put my curtains up. Everything's good now. Except for the bird situation. We'll get it done. I told her to find somebody while I'm in Cabanatuan. That'll be another job for her. Keep her busy while I'm gone. She'll have to find somebody too. We have, like I said, we have plenty of plywood. They'll just have to cut it to size and put it up there. Somebody will get another job. Anyway, like I said, it's been raining all morning. It stopped finally, so we're doing okay. It's actually not a bad day because it's not too hot. The humidity is up though. Very sticky, but not super hot. But at least we have a breeze. Probably get some more rain later. This playground is getting all rotten too, all the wood. Some of it's broken already. But the kids don't play on it as much as they used to. Especially Catherine. I mean, she used to play every day, but now she's into riding her bike. She's been doing that every day. Everything gets boring after a while, I guess. But it's okay. It's okay, she likes riding her bike. James broke his again. His chain's all messed up. I can't really take it apart and fix it. Every time I fix it, he breaks it again anyway. The chain's all jammed in there. Catherine's chain is super loose. She tries to fix it herself, but it keeps coming off. So it's a big problem. James's is a disaster. It's all broken here. You see Catherine's chain came off again. And then every time she tries to fix it, she gets all greasy. Just another thing add to the list. I guess that's it, everybody. We'll find out this week. A lot of things going on, so we'll see what happens. Like I said, I'm going to be in Cabanatuan with the kids this time, so that should be interesting. We'll have to do, I don't know, I probably won't be able to do the same thing Mommy does, but it's good that they'll have Daddy for a week. And it's good that I can get away for a little bit. Maybe when I come back, a lot of things will be done. Or at least progress. So. Alright, so that's it. If I have anything else, I'll do another video later. If not, I'll see you in Cabanatuan tomorrow. At least the Wi-Fi is better over there. The TV's better. So, shopping's better. More things to do. So, we'll see what happens. Alright, keep watching. Like and subscribe. It's free. God bless everyone. Santa Claus over and out.